we are exploring deeply into the topic, exciting world of fake stuff. Intelligence and robots are being studied to see how they work together. The things we see in science fiction are starting to happen in real life, right in front of us. I am your host. In this video, we will talk about what is happening now. AI and robotics are amazing right now. Advances that have been made, and let's move forward and see what happens next. Now, before we start, please make sure to click the like button and follow or subscribe. Check out our channel for cool new tech stuff. Content 1 can be rewritten as the first piece of information. AI's growth over time. Understand what's going on right now. Artificial intelligence is very important. To quickly go through its journey, over time, AI has changed and grown, changing a lot from in the beginning, symbolic algebra relied on clear rules and thinking based on logic. The rise of machine learning and its development. I have learned deep learning techniques over time, made a lot of progress with outstanding improvements. Advances we see nowadays in modern times. In today's world, we see computers that have artificial intelligence, ability to understand human language, understand pictures and do better than others. People play challenging games like chess. The main focus of these accomplishments is caused by the creation of machines, learning and advanced algorithms for understanding data, which help AI systems to understand. Patterns are things that happen in a certain way over and over again. When we see patterns, we can use them to help us decide what to do. The data shows an important change from changing from following rules to using data to make decisions about the best way to deal with something. This amazing progress demonstrates the amazing power of AI and clues in a future where it will keep going, influence many parts of our lives. Rewrite this text in simple words. 2. Change this text into simpler words. 2. Robots are being used more in the real world. We are focused on the fast-changing world. Robotics shows an amazing and impressive, a trip that's known for creativity and cleverness. There has been a lot of amazing progress in robot technology. Together with the always changing scenery, artificial intelligence has a lot of advanced technology. Started a new journey that changed everything. Has changed the way we see. Automation means using machines and technology to do work instead of people. It's used in the real world. Applications are programs or software used for specific tasks or purposes. AI and its users is the foundation of its success. The mutual support and benefits between AI and the people who use it is what makes it thrive. Robotics has helped speed up or trigger something. Historical progress moving forward, taking the field to new heights. Especially noticeable is robots have changed a lot. The days of basic, clumsy tools are over. Machines with only a few things they can do. Today robots have become very advanced, complex and flexible things, necessary in many places, many different types of businesses that make things. For example, these smart machines have become key parts of making things work better. Exactness and being careful to avoid danger. They work well with people, helping others do better at work to get more things done. Quality control means making sure things are as good as they can be, while also making sure there are fewer chances of problems happening. Healthcare has a lot of workplace accidents. The collaboration of AI and robotics working together has benefits. The development led to a new time in medical care. Robot surgery help doctors with operations. Help has gone beyond what humans can do. Surgery restrictions preventing doctors from doing operations. Complex, less intrusive treatments with unmatched accuracy. The outcome is not just better for the patient, results and also faster healing times, changing the way healthcare looks. Delivery means bringing something to your door or to a specific location. 3. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Definitely one of the most exciting. From levels of AI, robotics is a part of the field of technology. Healthcare that uses the latest technology. New technologies are ready to change the way we do things. The most basic aspects of medicine and taking care of people's health. Delivery of IPOR diagnostics by simple IPOR diagnostics delivery. Using the strong skills of analysis, machine learning programs have become popular as a group that changed things a lot at the start. Finding and identifying diseases. Systems can handle large amounts of information. medical information that is very fast and unmatched, helping healthcare be more accurate, experts in finding sicknesses at the beginning stages in the end, resulting in quicker actions to help, getting better results for patients at the same time. Surgical robots have brought in a new era, time of accuracy and small surgeries, methods that help doctors do surgeries, complicated tasks with exceptional difficulty, making sure we get things right and not hurting the patient. Robotic surgeries also help people recover faster. Prosthetics help people by giving them new body parts. People who have trouble moving their arms or legs can now move around more easily. Improved features and abilities surpassing what came before. Limits and improving everything overall. The quality of life has improved a lot. Technological wonders are not just extravagant things, restricted to improving healthcare. Good things are important, but they are also very valuable. Changing how healthcare costs are managed. Making healthcare more accessible, we can improve patient outcomes and save lives. Simplifying how medical tasks are done using technology. Robotics can reduce or limit something. Healthcare is getting more and more expensive. Services are cheaper and easier to get. For more people, this is where artificial intelligence and robots come together. Healthcare is important. Big change where the meeting of new ideas and care. Secure and prosperous future for all. A fair future for everyone. 4 important things to think about when making decisions. In the middle of an amazing hope for artificial intelligence and robotics are about creating machines that can think and move on their own. It's important to deal with a lot of moral thinking and decision making. Please pay attention. One worry is about finding a job. Displacement means replacing jobs with machines in different areas is at risk of being replaced. Human workers might be making things worse. Joblessness and unfair money differences among people. Also, the widespread problem of prejudices in AI systems have appeared, pointing out the danger of continuing prejudices in society when using algorithms. When a computer is taught using unfair information, this unfairness can show up as unfair results in discrimination. Places where people get hired, borrow money, and deal with criminal activities. Making sure that everyone is treated fairly can make the differences between people even bigger. Furthermore, using AI in watching and paying attention makes people worried. Important rights to keep personal information private and to have freedom and equality as a citizen. Worries about gathering and studying information. A lot of personal information. Intrusive surveillance could happen, reducing people's freedom and making them feel scared. These moral questions show the importance of making ethical decisions. We really need to make sure that we are working to advance AI and robotics, with being careful and thinking ahead, finding the right mix of technology and other things. Progress and protection from the negative effects on society are very important. This means creating and putting into action clear and strong rules for doing the right thing, rules and steps that deal with. These are the main worries when it comes to AI and its impact. Robotics have a lot of possibilities. Progress needs to follow ethical rules, principles and a promise to uphold them, lessening possible problems in the end, making sure that the good things from these technologies are fairly spread out, and improve the overall health and happiness of the community. Future of AI, artificial intelligence, and what it holds. Robotics is really exciting. The era ahead is expected to be like no other. Amaze and impress you with their advanced features, power, and capabilities. These technological wonders are truly remarkable. Blend into our everyday lives without any interruption or difficulty. AI is going in a certain direction. The growth of more and more advancements. Sophisticated AI systems that can doing better than people's intelligence. Complex tasks are changing the way things are done in different fields, like paying for medical bills and expenses. Independent cars research, fitted with air-powered understanding and awareness. People's ability to make decisions is being improved. Change the way we travel using roads. Make things safer and work better while also reducing traffic jams and pollution also. Lives in new ways, from our homes to our workplaces. Exists on a deeper level. Robots are doing different jobs in various places, like taking care of old people and learning about it. Having a friendship with self-driving cars. that drive themselves in the city without any human control. AI-powered personal assistance allows individuals to control devices and receive help using only their eyes. Expect what we will need and make it better. Productivity means being able to do more. It means having more options and opportunities. Indeed, limitless. But with these limitations, exciting things are coming. Responsibility to deal with problems. Consider difficult decisions at work, like what is right or wrong. Moving and keeping personal information safe. To make the most of AI and its abilities, we need to make sure that our robotics are working properly. Progress is supported by a promise to be responsible for developing ethical behaviors, rolling out and fair access to these things. At the future of digital innovation, simplified, new technologies that change the way we look at digital innovation in the future. In the future, AI and robots will come together. Promises to create a future where people are better, using machines to work together and create new ideas. Push us towards a unique world, simplicity, effectiveness, and opportunities. Revolutionizing how we do our jobs and live our lives. Communicate with more and more people. Smart environment. Finally, we've made a lot of progress from where we started. Science fiction AI and robotics are not real longer just dreams, they are real, changing the way businesses work every day. Great power comes with a lot of responsibility. We have a big responsibility and it's our job to handle it. Make sure that these tools are being used to help make life better for all people.